Good morning to you on the Moto G stylus. You unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
I got Darwin Ray Rolero for review.
Guerrero.
Darwin
Yes.
Roblero
Yeah, at the end.
of the review.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez.
Good morning, Emily. Good morning, Emily. Good morning, what's his name, Philip?
Good morning.
Good morning. Ahí está, hermano. Mr. Phillips.
Is yours free?
No. I just tried to print two people that. You printed some stuff too, right?
Grab some stuff. Maybe this is what me, saying that we're supposed to go.
No, that's right. Israel, this is Jemima. I keep trying to print from JIS and it's not printing. Form 434, and the judge was doing it too, and it wasn't coming out to print. Normally you get cut 9, it just come out right away. I haven't changed anything. I noticed last night when I left, it was printed, but I just got it. So we might.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please mute your phones. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please do not interrupt the judge when he's speaking. When he wants you to speak, he will prompt you to do so. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte virtual del honorable juez John B. Perkins, que entra en sesión. Por favor, mantenga sus micrófonos en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado. Por favor, asegúrese de estar vestido debidamente. sentado derecho y remover cualquier tipo de cobertura en su cabeza. No se admite ningún tipo de sombrero o cachucha, a menos que sea por motivos religiosos. Mientras que esta corte esté en sesión, usted no puede estar manejando, no puede estar comiendo, tomando, fumando o durmiendo. Por favor, no interrumpa al juez cuando esté hablando. Bienvenidos a la corte del juez Perkins.
All right, good morning, everyone. What we're gonna try to do the best we can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And we're gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in, starting with the reviews.
Muy bien, bienvenidos a todos. Vamos a tratar de hacer esto de la forma más eficiente y rápida posible. Voy a llamarlos en el orden de que ustedes se conectaron y vamos a comenzar con las revisiones.
All right, Ms. Williams-Law, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, everybody. My name is Emma Hernandez, as CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter, number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth? Strike that. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your abilities, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, so you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's start out with the city of Detroit versus Charlene Marie Gross. Case number Z8095361. Ms. Gross, good morning to you. You state your name.
Good morning. Charlene Marie Grove.
Very good. Ms. Gross, I'm happy to see that you completed the highway safety course. I hope that it was informative and you got something out of it.
Yes.
All right, and with that, we're gonna close your matter out. Ms. Gross, I wish you the best of luck. I will say that if this is your first and only OWI case, then you should be eligible in the state of Michigan for a one-time expungement. But that only, you can only, you have to wait the allotted period of time, but you can only have one. So if another one comes about, then you won't be eligible anymore. I hope that you are eligible for that, and I hope that you may be able to seek that when the time comes around. But other than that, I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day and have a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
Thank you so much. You too.
All right, thank you. City of Detroit versus Karina Elizabeth Afrero Gonzalez, case number SP 179-14511. Ms. Gonzalez, good morning to you. Do you need an interpreter?
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Karina Alfaro González, número de caso SP 179-14511. Señora González, ¿usted necesita un intérprete?
Sí, por favor.
Yes, please.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were, in lieu of fines and costs, allowed to do 6 hours of community service.
Señora, hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. A usted se le ordenó hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario en lugar de costos y multas.
Sí.
Yes.
I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, ma'am, we're gonna close your matter out, okay?
Señora, ya veo que usted ha hecho esas horas y en vista de eso vamos a cerrar su caso.
Está bien.
That's fine.
Okay, have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Señora, que tenga unas felices fiestas y seguras y la mejor de las suertes para usted.
Gracias igualmente.
Thank you. Same for you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Darwin Ray Rivero, case number SP 1791638, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Rivero.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Darwin Ray Roblero. Números de caso SP1791638, cargos 1 y 2. Usted, por favor, díganos su nombre, señor Roblero. Prenda su micrófono. Prenda su
I
micrófono.
got it.
Sorry. Mi nombre es Darwin Rey Roblero Roblero.
My name is Darwin Ray Roblero Roblero.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 40 hours of 34 hours of community service for the 2 offenses. I see that you completed 40 hours of community service, and we thank you for going above and beyond, sir. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. En vez de pagar costos y multas, le habíamos permitido que usted hiciera 34 horas de servicio comunitario para cubrir las 2 ofensas. Veo aquí que usted cumplió más de las 34, que hizo 40 horas de servicio comunitario y le queremos dar las gracias por eso. Agradecemos que hizo más de las 34 y con eso vamos a cerrar a su caso.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Let me let the record reflect. You did not go over and above. You did the 40 hours that you were allowed to do in lieu of fines and costs. The sheet just has it down incorrectly. So, but we do appreciate the community service, sir. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you. Happy holiday season to you.
Permíteme corregir esto para que conste en el acta. No es que usted hizo 30 y le pedimos 34, usted cumplió 40 porque 40 es lo que le habíamos pedido que usted hiciera. Aún reconocemos su esfuerzo, le damos las gracias y como le dije, el caso queda cerrado. Que tenga usted unos días feriados muy felices.
Gracias igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Anaya Marche Carla Lipscomb, case number SP 171011841. Ms. Lipscomb, good morning to you. Can you state your name?
Good morning, Anaya Lipscomb.
All right, Ms. Lipscomb, you are ordered to do 12 hours of community service, and I don't see that you completed any.
I never spoke with the community service officer that you wanted me to go through. I guess the number that they gave me was the wrong number. I didn't speak with him until this past Friday, but I did have community service hours to do for another judge, and I do have 12 of them completed, and my paperwork is right here.
Who's the other judge?
What is her name? Give me 1 second.
Where did you do this community service hours?
On West McNichols and 6th Mile at the New Light Family Christian Center with Dr. Alexander.
And what did you have to do the community service for?
I had to do it to get another case closed. I still have more hours to finish for her, but I did get 12 of them done so far. And when I went back to recomplete it on Monday, my last 3 hours, his son had passed, and I haven't spoke with anyone else about who's going to take over the community service. But my sheet is filled out and stuff already. I just didn't know who to turn it into.
Is that for Judge Bryan that you did the community service for?
Is that a female?
Yes, for this Larson.
Yes, that's for her. Yes.
Now let's see what you have. Hold it up to the screen, please. I'm gonna give you credit for, I'm gonna dismiss this case.
Thank you.
Community service. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
You too. Same to you. Thank you.
Dolores Gonzalez, are you here?
Señora Dolores González, ¿está aquí?
Let's go with
Señora.
City of Detroit versus Hugo Irhan Escobedo.
Yes.
Escobedo, good morning to you. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, I don't.
All right. Let's see, this case number SP 178888143. Good morning to you. State your name for the record.
Hugo Harrijon.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for review. You were allowed to do a Lewis findings that cost 6 hours of community service. Now, you did go over and above and did 7.5. We appreciate that. I know the people over there in the community appreciate that as well. We're gonna close your matter out, sir. Wish you the best of luck and have a safe and happy holiday season.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank you so much. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Matilia Tia Nieto. Case number SP 179-39171. Mr. Nieto, state your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor Nieto. Por favor, señor, diga su nombre.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Jesús Alexander Montilla.
Good morning, my name is Jesus Alexander Montilla.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service.
Señor, buenos días. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. Se le ordenó hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario en lugar de costos y multas.
Sí, señora.
Yes, ma'am.
I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, right?
Señor, muchas gracias. Ya veo que ha hecho las 6 horas de servicio comunitario, por lo cual se lo agradecemos mucho. Con eso queda su caso cerrado. Eso es todo por hoy.
Ok, muchas gracias. Que pasen buen día.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
You have a safe and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
Señor, igualmente, que tenga unos días feriados seguros y felices. Que tenga
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
Ms. Dolores Gonzalez.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city
Good
of
morning.
Detroit versus Dolores Gonzalez, case number SP 179-35041. State your name for the record, ma'am, please.
Dolores Gonzalez?
All right, today is the date and time set for review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, ma'am. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. And best
Thank
of
you.
luck.
Happy holidays.
Thank you so much.
And she's a great interpreter too.
Pardon me?
She was helpful in interpreting with the boys.
Oh, thank you. So she went above and beyond as well too. That we lost Miss Quintero. She was the one that spoke Spanish over there. So I know Mr. Phillips appreciates that.
It was fun. It was fun.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamal Dominic Martinez Gibson. Case numbers SP 1772525, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11455972. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Jamal Dominic Martez Gibson.
Mr. Gibson, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I read 2 other cases into the record. They were recently in default. I wouldn't have the objection for Mr. Gibson to be heard on those cases to see if the city attorney does not have any objection to that. There's a no valid registration and an expired plate. Mr. Gibson, Mr. Berry is going to put you in I'm going to put you in the breakout room to speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room, let us know when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Let's pass the matter. Gabby Perez.
Which Perez, Your Honor?
I thought I saw Gabby Perez.
Oh, I see where Canon Perez is. He speaks English, but I'm not seeing the other Perez.
Well, they're in the room here.
Yes, true.
Gaby Perez is Amen.
Oh, I think it's a person there, so he needs to unmute himself.
Señor, usted necesita prender su micrófono. Gaby Pérez, prenda su micrófono.
Good morning to you. What is your name, sir?
Buenos días, usted, señor. ¿Me puede decir su nombre, señor?
Víctor Juárez Tobar.
Víctor Juárez
Tobar.
Tobar.
It's a review.
This is the city of Detroit versus Victor Juarez Tovar. Case number SP 178566641. Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Víctor Juárez Tovar. Número de caso SP 178556641. Díganos su nombre, por favor, señor.
Víctor Juárez Tobar.
Victor Juárez Tovar.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Buenos días a usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que yo le había ordenado a usted que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo aquí también que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y vamos a desestimar a su caso.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Have a safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
Que tenga unos días feriados seguros y felices, señor. Y buena suerte a usted.
Gracias. Igualmente.
Thank you. Thank you. Same to you. Thank you.
Ya.
Se puede desconectar. You can disconnect.
Ok. Gracias. Ya.
City of Detroit versus Keenan Perez Alvarez, case number SP 17960. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sheriff Harris, P 72832, on behalf of Mr. Perez Alvarez. Please state your name for the record.
My name is Kenan Perez Alvarez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Alvarez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to a trial. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? I think Mr. Phillips, I think Mr. Berry. Give me a minute, Mr. Gibson. See if we can get him.
One more time, sir.
Let me see if he comes on back in. He's going to come back in a second.
Okay, he's still in the room.
No, he fell off.
No problem.
All right, Mr. Barrett, back on the record with this, Mr. Gibson. I've given you an opportunity to speak with your client. What does your client want to do, Mr. Barrett?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration, and we seek dismissal for compliance. I've not been able to reach the city in terms of the set-aside question, and that's a bit of a problem. I just don't have Walker's number.
Well, based on the history of the city and the recency of the default, the court is going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. Mr. Gibson, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Happy holidays. You all be safe too.
Thank you so much. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Daniel Lamarco Shea, case number SP 1758571, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1758573, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gaucher.
Daniel Gaucher.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you again, Mr. Gaucher. Mr. Gaucher has 2 civil infractions that the court would have no objection, no issue with setting those civil infractions aside. If there's no objection by the city attorney, one is a no valid registration and failure to wear a crash helmet. Mr. Gaucher, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
Join the room and pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Perez Alvarez. Mr. Perez Alvarez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what's your plan? Want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Perez Alvarez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I swear, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? 83 days in jail and or $500 fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
I do not.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
As in a deal? No, no, Your Honor.
They said we do today.
What was that?
Other than what we said we'll do today.
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to September 25th, 2025, around 3:43 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Dixon Central. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, that was when the incident happened. I believe so.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
I was, Your Honor.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
He did.
And you could not do so, could you, sir?
I couldn't, Your Honor.
Why is that?
Oh, I had my permit out, but it dissolved basically in the water. So I haven't been able to get my license because I really haven't owned a car in a while. So I don't drive basically.
So you just didn't have a license on that day, did you, or did you not?
I didn't, Your Honor.
You didn't?
No, I did not.
Okay, very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing, stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 12 hours of community service will be the sentence, sir. I'll dismiss upon completion. Your phone number ends in 9361, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, I was provided with it right now. I was given it to me, so I have it.
I wish we could put this matter. It doesn't allow you to paste anymore. Mr. Phillips needs to get that number, Mr.
I sent it to him, Your
No,
Honor.
she did give. I said she did. I got it.
I was thinking of Mr. Alvarez, I'm gonna give you until January 7th to complete those hours. Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. If the hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case, sir. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you. We'll see you in the new year, okay?
Thank you, sir. You as well.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Tamia, or is it Tamia? Which one?
Tamia Whitfield.
Good morning to you, man. This is the city of Detroit versus Tamia Whitfield. Case number SB 160-46331. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Whitfield, please state your name for the record.
Tamia Whitfield.
For purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Whitfield, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaucher. Mr. Gaucher, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, that what you want to do, Mr. Gaucher?
Yes, sir.
Come back on December the 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m., sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good Thanksgiving, and we'll see you back before Christmas, okay?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Quick question. Where can I get a psycho endorsement?
You have to go to Secretary of State, and they have all the rules outlined on that.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you. Happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Jamie Barboza Jimenez. Case number is SP 1810838, counts 1, 2, and 3. SD 1810831. Appearance for the record, please.
Buenos días, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit. Señor Barbosa, do you need interpreter?
Yes, unmute yourself.
Tiene que abrir su micrófono, señor Barbosa. ¿Dónde está el micrófono? Lo debe tener en rojo, póngalo, tóquelo para que abra.
Ya.
¿Necesita intérprete, señor? Do you
Sí,
need
por
interpreter?
favor.
Yes,
Sí,
please. Okay.
yes, please.
He needs interpreter, Your Honor. This is the case of the city of Detroit against...
Español. En español.
Hoy es el caso, este es el día, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jaime Barbosa Jiménez, número de caso SP-181-08301, SP-181-082-8182 y 83. Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Jaime Barbosa Jiménez.
My name is Jaime Barbosa Jiménez.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Elwood Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Barbosa. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente y voy a imponer una multa de $0. Buenos días a usted, señor Barbosa. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado que le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la Fiscalía, sepa y entienda que usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada. Breakout room.
Acepto la unión, gracias. La reunión.
Breakout room. Sala de consulta, sala de espera, sala de consulta privada, grupo pequeño. Ok. Thank you, Your Honor.
Pass the matter.
Your Honor, may the interpreter ask Ms. Vasquez and Mr. Chilel if they need interpreters?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Your Honor. Señora Vázquez Alvarado, ¿necesita intérprete?
Sí, por favor.
Muy
Sí,
bien,
por favor.
gracias. Y señor Chilel, Saqueo Chilel, ¿necesita usted intérprete? Prenda su micrófono.
Sí, por favor.
Gracias. Aquí estamos a las órdenes. Gracias. Yes, Your Honor, both do need interpreter.
But I still have to pay money.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Whitfield. Ms. Whitfield, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation. It's a plea as charged to open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger under a 6-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal now?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you know that this is going to put 2 points on your driving license, ma'am?
Yeah.
I'm going to,
And Your Honor, just for the record, I did advise that she had, obviously I advised of her rights, and I did advise setting it for a trial and asking for an appointed attorney would be a good option, but this was her decision.
Very well. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
Do you understood those? Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 1st, 2024, at around 1:37 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan and Central. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle at the time?
Yes.
Was there some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol was it?
I don't remember what kind of alcohol it was.
Would you dispute that it was a Paula Luna Zula tequila?
It could have been, but I really didn't know until he pulled it out, and it's been like so long. That's why I don't remember.
And would you say that it was did you know that there was alcohol in the container at the time? Lost her. Let's pass the matter. Called City of Detroit versus Andrea Augustina Vasquez Alvarado, SB 179-30571. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de Andrea Agustina Vázquez Alvarado, la ciudad de Detroit versus esta acusada, número de caso SP179-30571. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Andrea Agustina Vázquez Alvarado.
Andrea Agustina Vázquez Alvarado.
Chair Harris on behalf of the defendant.
Y soy Cherica Harris representando a la acusada.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Vasquez Alvarado. Today is the date and time set for a show cause.
Buenos días a usted, señora Vázquez Alvarado. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una audiencia para mostrar causa.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your
I'm
client
sorry, my connection had dropped.
I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Vasquez Alvarado has paid a related civil infraction. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para este cliente, darle una fianza de $0. La señora Vázquez Alvarado ya ha pagado por una infracción asociada con este cargo. Le vamos a conseguir una oferta actualizada de resolución. Si no le gusta la oferta de resolución, siempre tiene usted derecho de ir a juicio. Aceptar la invitación para pasar a una sala privada de consulta, toque donde dice join o unirse.
Give Ms. Harris a few minutes to
Vamos a darle a la señora Harris unos momenticos.
She's in there.
Could I also know what the related civil infraction was?
Disregarding a red signal.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Whitfield. Ms. Whitfield, just unmute yourself. You don't have to turn your camera on. That may help the transmission.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
No, no need to apologize. We were at the stage of finding out about this this alcohol. And my last question to you was, did you know that it was alcohol in that container?
Yeah.
All right. And was the container open?
No.
I mean, when I say open, had it been open previously?
Yeah.
It wasn't a brand new fresh bottle of alcohol, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
And it was open, meaning that it was some left still in the container, correct?
Correct.
Are you satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied.
All right, the court is satisfied. I'm gonna find guilty as charged, order 12 hours of community service with a 6-month delayed sentence. Really, you just, I need a 6-month date. Let's just call it May the 4th. May the 4th is your next court date. You complete those community service hours, ma'am, don't get in any other trouble like this. And you will, we'll close the matter out. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. And if you don't have any further questions, Ms. Whitfield, you have a very good, safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too.
May the 4th, okay? Best of luck to you.
Your Honor, question
Yes.
on the matter, the Vasquez Alvarado matter.
Mhm.
Did you call 2 cases into the docket or into the record or 1?
One case, she paid the other one. It should be closed out.
Okay, because that was the one they had her entering a plea on. So let me speak with Ms. Walker to see if we can get an adjustment. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record. Oh, Mr. Barbosa is not out yet.
He should be out.
What is he gonna do?
He needs to go to his alphabet judge, Your Honor, because he needs to return with documents. There he is.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Barbosa Jimenez. Mr. Jimenez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates you need to go to your alphabet judge. Is that correct?
Está bien, señor. Volvamos con el señor Barbosa. Señor Barbosa, entiendo que usted tiene que ir entonces al juez que le corresponde según su apellido, ¿correcto?
Sí, gracias.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna send you to your alphabet judge. That's Judge Yancey.
Esa es la juez Yancey. Y-A-N-C-E-Y.
Yancy, sí.
Yancey, yes, I got it.
This court date is gonna be December 10th, 2025 at 8:30.
Va a ser el 10 de diciembre del 2025 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Sí. Gracias.
And I'm going to give you the Zoom ID of 360-335-0000.
Señor, y va a ser por Zoom y el número de Zoom para comunicarse con la juez Yancey ese día es 360-335-0000.
¿Me lo puedes repetir, por favor?
Can you repeat it, please?
360-335-0000.
Okay, understand. Thank you.
360-335-0000. Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Señor, está bien, que tenga excelente día, que tenga unos días feriados seguros y felices. Mucha
Que se le
suerte.
multiplique sus buenos deseos. Gracias.
Yeah. Be your good wishes, be multiplied. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Best of luck to you.
Gracias, muchas gracias, señor. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
Igual, gracias.
Thank you. Same for you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Sakui Jesus Mendez Chilel, case number SP 179-85421, SP 179-8545, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor Saqueo Jesús Méndez Chilel, número de caso SP 179-85451-452 y SP 179-85421. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sí, soy yo, Saqueo Méndez Chilel.
Yes,
Elwood
I
S.
am Saqueo Méndez Chilel.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Woodbury Jr. representando al señor Méndez, su señoría.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Señor, voy entonces a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio, señor. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Por favor,
He's in there.
únase a la sala de consulta privada. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Vasquez Alvarez. Ms. Vasquez Alvarez, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Bien, así que ahora vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora Vázquez Alvarado. Señora Vázquez Alvarado, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame qué van a hacer, abogada, qué van a hacer.
Your Honor, we would like to take advantage of the offer.
Su señoría, a nosotros nos gustaría aprovecharnos de la oferta de resolución que se le ha propuesto.
It would amend the disregarding red or amber signal to blockading.
Con eso, el cargo queda desestimado de que desobedeció una luz amarilla o roja.
And dismiss the misdemeanor for no insurance.
Y se desestima el cargo que es el delito menor por no tener seguro de vehículo.
I did speak with Ms. Walker regarding the payment that has already been made.
Ya yo hablé con la señora Walker acerca del pago que se ha hecho.
There is no objection to just applying her payment to the amended charge of blockading.
Y ella no se opone a que el pago que ella pagó se utilice para el nuevo cargo que se le ha dado.
If the court will allow, please and thank you.
Si la corte lo permite, por favor y gracias.
There's going to be another $45 charge for that.
Le tendríamos que cobrar un cargo adicional de $45.
And I did let her know that there might be more money that she would have to pay, and she did understand that.
Y yo ya le dejé saber que era posible que iba a tener que pagar un poco de más dinero y ella le pareció bien.
Stipulate to the I will set aside the responsible plea, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
Muy bien, así que entonces voy a anular el cargo donde ella se declaró responsable de haber desobedecido una luz roja o amarilla. Y puedo yo depender de la boleta como un fundamento para la declaración.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo de acuerdo a su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y puede estipular usted que se puede desestimar el otro caso?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo su señoría, de acuerdo.
All right, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, and add, you have already paid $130. We'll add another $45 to that, and when can you pay it? $45 now.
Muy bien, así que encuentro que su cliente sí es responsable al cargo modificado de que estaba bloqueando el tráfico. Ella ya pagó 130, así que le falta pagar $45. ¿Para cuándo pudiera usted pagar esa cantidad, señora? Prenda el micrófono.
Ya mismo.
In a moment.
All right, I'll give you until December the 1st to pay it. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, and have a safe and happy holiday season.
Muy bien, señora. Entonces yo le voy a dar a usted hasta el 1 de diciembre para que alcance a pagar. Usted siempre puede venir en persona a la corte a pagarlo, pero también usted puede pagarlo en cualquiera de los kioscos que se encuentran en la ciudad de Detroit que se llaman DivDat. Hasta puede poner el app en el teléfono suyo para el DivDat y pagarlo así. Son las dos mejores maneras que yo sé para uno poder pagar. Si no tiene algo que agregar, señora, le deseamos mucha suerte, que tenga muy bonito día y que tenga unos días feriados muy felices y seguros.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga un día fabuloso.
Y'all say y'all didn't want none. I have her make another one.
Okay.
Wait a minute, let me ask this though.
She said, what happened to the sweet potato pie the next day? I done passed it all around.
Nah, you didn't say that.
He said he ate
A whole sweet potato.
all that. He get some crack. You didn't get that. I ain't mind who see what's going on.
Good morning, 586-213-0747. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning, Lockridge.
Who is this?
Aaron Lockridge.
Lockridge?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Aaron Lockridge, case number SP 11702. 02 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 120-46671. SP 122-0567 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 122-0568 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 123-5514 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 123-9966 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1244247-1, SP 1591908 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Lockridge.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lockridge, and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right, I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. He owes 1, 2, 3 no insurance proofs at 336, 336, and 288 apiece, amongst other civil infractions. Mr. Lockridge, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Ms. Harris. Pass the matter. What's Mendez Chileo going to do, Mr. Berry?
He will avail himself of the offer to plead to excessive smoke coming from his exhaust on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. Putting his number in the chat.
That's a civil infraction.
Oh. Well.
And it was 6 community service. close the matter out.
That's fine with us, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mendez-Chileo. Mr. Mendez-Chileo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el caso del señor Méndez Chilel. Señor Méndez Chilel le dio la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
Your Honor, the people have made this offer to allow him to enter a plea to the excessive smoke coming from his exhaust. And they anticipate that at the end of his sanction time, the matter will be dismissed.
Su señoría, él va a tomar la oferta de declararse de exceso de humo saliendo de su tubo de escape. Y después de que termine el tiempo de la sanción impuesta, el caso será desestimado.
Do you want to take the deal, Mr. Mendez-Chileo?
Señor Saqueos Méndez Chilel, ¿usted quiere tomar este acuerdo?
Sí, acepto.
Yes, I accept.
On behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, Counselor?
Señor Berry, en el nombre de su cliente, usted está, por favor, para que estipule las bases de hecho y de fundamento para la emisión de dicha boleta.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulada, su señoría.
Will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your
Y
Honor.
también
So
estipula la causa probable para desestimar los otros cargos restantes si su señoría estipulado.
All right, with those stipulations, Mr. Mendez-Chileo, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of as charged with excessive smoke. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Señor Saqueo Méndez Chilel, entonces yo lo voy a encontrar responsable de la boleta original de exceso de humo y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario en el Centro Comunitario de Justicia.
Okay.
Okay.
Is the 3863 the last 4 digits of your number?
Los últimos números de su teléfono son 863.
Sí.
Yes.
And do you have this number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
¿Y usted tiene el número, señor, para que llame al Centro de Justicia Comunitario para establecer cómo va a ser las horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set those hours up. I'm going to give you until January 7th, 2026 to complete the hours.
Señor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips, que es el que está ahí en la pantalla, para establecer cómo va a ser las horas de servicio comunitario y yo le voy a dar hasta el 7 de enero del 2026 para que se presente nuevamente aquí y ya con esas horas de servicio comunitario hechas.
Okay.
All right, if you don't have further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a safe and happy holiday season. And
¿Está bien, señor?
Sí, está bien.
Si no tiene más nada que agregar, le doy que tenga muy buen día y un excelente día feriados. Con eso es todo. La mejor de la suerte para usted. Se puede retirar.
Okay, gracias. Muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you. Thank
Tengo
you
una
very much.
pregunta.
I have a question.
What is your question?
¿Cuál es su pregunta, señor?
Quiero preguntar sobre el otro ticket que supuestamente estuve en ese corte el 19, pero no sé, pero apareció que no aparecía ahí.
I want to ask about another ticket that I was supposed to be in court on the 19th, but I was there and I was not on the docket.
So, man.
Mr.
Judge yesterday.
Do you have a ticket number, sir?
Señor, ¿tiene el número de ticket?
Sí, permíteme. Es
Yes, allow me, please.
P
SP
17
17
57
57
51 9.
51 9.
SP 1757519.
SP 175 7519.
Sí.
Yes.
I don't see anything under that number.
Vamos a buscar qué hay bajo ese número.
SP 1757519.
SP 175 7519.
Sí.
Yes.
I don't see anything under that number.
Yo no veo nada bajo ese número.
Let's try Chanel, just the last name. What is the ticket number? What is the name on the ticket?
¿Qué número hay en esa boleta, señor, en ese ticket? ¿Qué nombre?
¿Cómo? ¿Qué nombre?
¿Qué nombre?
El mismo nombre, Saqueo Méndez Chilel.
The same one, Saqueo Méndez Chilel.
Can you hold it up, please?
Señor, ¿me lo puede mostrar?
Ok, permítame.
Yes, allow me, please.
¿Esta?
This. No lo mueva.
Oh, I don't know. Bring it a little closer.
Un poco más cerca de la cámara, señor, por favor.
¿Así?
Like this.
SP 1757519. I don't know if that ticket has ever made it to the system.
Señor, es el ticket SP 175 7519. Señor, yo no sé si ese ticket alguna vez llegó a estar incluido en el sistema.
Mrs. Mathis, can you look that up?
Están buscando, señor.
Ok.
They haven't sent the card yet, so I don't think.
1757519.
When did he get the ticket?
July 19th, 2025.
And that was 1757-519.
17575191.
SP 175 7519.
Sí.
Yes. It's not in there.
No, aquí no está.
So it must have never made it to the system.
Aquí no está, así que no debe estar. No está aquí. A lo mejor nunca llegó el sistema, señor.
¿Y qué puede pasar?
So, what can happen about it?
It's not on file.
I don't know what happens in that case. The ticket just states that the officer has never, that doesn't seem like the officer has ever brought the ticket down to the court to get into the system.
Señor, yo no sé qué pueda pasar, pero aparentemente el oficial que emitió ese ticket no ha venido a la corte para introducirlo en el sistema.
¿Está bien?
Hold it up one more time.
Póngalo otra vez allí, por favor, para verlo bien.
Well, move it up. Move it up, please. Go up with it.
Muévalo un poco más hacia arriba.
Read the whole name on the ticket, please.
Señor, ponga donde está el nombre en el ticket, donde está el nombre.
Back it up a little
¿Mi
bit.
nombre?
Donde se ve su nombre en el ticket.
Is there a hyphen in between, Chanel?
Entre los dos apellidos, entre los dos apellidos tiene una rayita, señor. ¿Dónde está su nombre?
No, es que este ticket como que ya está algo borroso y no. Aquí, mira, aquí. Empieza de aquí
Here
para
is
acá.
my name, but it's kind of blurry.
Aquí.
Yeah, read what it says.
Diga lo que dice, señor.
Saqueo Jesús Méndez Chilel.
Saqueo Jesús Méndez Chilel.
No hay línea de medio.
There is not, it's not hyphenated.
Yeah, it's not on file.
No está en el sistema, señor.
Ok, nada más voy a esperar.
Okay, so you have to wait.
Well, just keep checking the 36 District Court website for that.
Sí, señor, siga chequeando, I'm sorry, en línea, ¿verdad? La página de la Corte 36 de Distrito y siga chequeando a ver si aparece.
¿Está bien?
That's fine.
All right, call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and set those hours up. If there's nothing further, sir, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para que establezca cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser esas horas de servicio comunitario, que tenga unas felices días feriados y seguros, que tenga la mejor de las suertes para usted.
Muchísimas gracias igualmente.
Thank you very, very much. Same for you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Okay, I think that's going to do it for us today.
No, we have one more, Your Honor.
I know when, well, for Ms. Hernandez and Ms.
Yes. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Villarreal, have a safe, happy holiday season and Thanksgiving season, and we'll be back next week, God willing, and we wish you both the best of luck. Enjoy your time off, if you have some.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. I'm in Florida with my brother.
Ah, that's good. I wish you could send that brother over here.
Everyone, I wish you a wonderful holiday season. Be well.
All right.
Yeah. Same to you. I'm not in Florida, I'm here. But I wish you the best holiday season and the best Thanksgiving to you and all of your families, okay?
Thank you so much.
Ciao, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Miss Matis. Happy Thanksgiving. Ciao.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Aaron Lockridge. Mr. Lockridge, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, after speaking with the city attorney, it's been advised that if he's able to pay any of those reinstatement fees or the no proof of insurance matters, that he should do that. And there was no objection to setting the matters for a trial on a community court date, which is what we are requesting.
A trial? No, we're not. We're going to just set it for trial. He can always ask for for,
Well, they would be
community service.
willing to give him a community court offer if it's a community court date.
Yeah, this is just a lot, because he's got a lot of matters. And, we're gonna be a lot of police officers coming in on that day. And we're already, it's already very hectic. As it is. If he comes back with a valid driver's license, and if you're here, I'll remember. I'll mark the file community court sentence if it happens like that, if he does what he needs to do. Mr. Lockridge, I'm gonna give you a trial date on December the 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further. You've been advised on what you need to do. I wish you a safe and happy Thanksgiving season, and we'll see you back after the holiday, okay?
All right, thank you. Happy Thanksgiving to y'all.
Thank you. Best of luck to you.